everybody, this is Kim.
And Damon.
We're here to make another video. Damon wanted to make some ice cream, right?
Yes.
What kind of ice cream you want to make?
I want to make strawberry mixed with vanilla.
Okay, we're going to make some strawberry mixed with vanilla. But I thought you said you wanted to do the Oreos.
The Oreos on top.
With Oreos on top? So he want to make some vanilla ice cream with strawberry inside of it and Oreos on top. That's a weird mixture. But we're gonna use this Ben and Jerry book, this ice cream recipe book. I bought this book many years ago. So we're gonna just use their recipe for the sweet cream based ice cream just to get us started. So we got all our ingredients right here ready. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and leave us some comments at the bottom. Have you ever made homemade ice cream? What's your favorite ice cream? Have you ever had Ben and Jerry ice cream? Have you ever used this book? Because I bought this book many years ago. I've used this book a number of times. So we're going to get started. We're going to pan the camera down so y'all can see exactly what we're doing. Okay, the first thing it asks for is eggs. We're going to crack these eggs.
Oh, jiggly.
And it's asking us to whisk the eggs. We're going to use this. Here, Dame, just do this. Just like that.
Push it down?
Yes. Hold. Or if you don't have one of these things, you could easily use a whisk, which is this. The hardest part. Okay, just like that. Talking about 1 or 2 minutes. They out they mind. Gonna pour it into my ice cream maker. Let's see if it can get close. And this will actually freeze it. and then we have to put it in the refrigerator for a little bit more time. Okay, I had to hold the camera, y'all, because for some reason I can't adjust this right. So I'm going to attempt to pour the ice cream inside the ice cream maker without making a mess. Okay. Okay, we got all that in there. Okay, I got the lid on and everything is ready. Now we're just gonna turn it on. And it's just gonna do what it's supposed to do. The bowl on the inside is actually frozen, and that's how the ice cream gets thick. Okay, the ice cream is done. As y'all see, nice, thick ice cream. But we most definitely still have to put it in the freezer so it could get a little bit hard. But we're gonna eat just a little bit of it. Yes, that looks really good. Okay, now we're gonna just put it inside of this bowl. We gotta look at all of that yumminess. Just put we're gonna just add a few of these this strawberry stuff in here. Okay, y'all, we done with the ice cream. We put it in this bowl. You see, you got to excuse him and his coughing. He's a little bit sick, but that's why we're trying to hurry up and get done with this video. Plus, I just got home from work and I'm tired. But we put it inside this container. We're going to put it in the freezer and we're going to eat it tomorrow. So we'll come back with another clip so y'all can see exactly how it turned out. Okay, today it's the next day. We let the ice cream sit in the freezer for a while so it could get nice and hard. Now I'm going to give Damon some. He's been sitting out for a few minutes. Turned out really good. Okay. Damon, how does it taste?
Good. Very, very good.
On that note, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Have you tried making homemade ice cream? Okay, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.